welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Tomtoc T-12, and it is in the medium size, and it is an electronic accessory pouch. And it's really well laid out. We're going to show you what's in this. This is awesome. I've been using this for support for my iPad, MacBook, iPhone. I have all my chargers, cables, hard drives, anything that's relevant to content creation and electronics is in here. And I like this for two reasons. One is it's got a nice flat bottom, and I can set it down on my desk and just work out of it, and it keeps everything organized. But I can also just take this and chuck it in a bag, or I can just take this to go if I need to go somewhere really easy and I need access to any one of those particular things. Now, this is the medium, and it does come in a small and a medium size. It does sit flat, and it does come in this really cool ripstop kind of gridded material. You can get this in a regular ballistic blue, black, green, but you can also get it in this, which is really nice. I know you can also get it in like a checkered blue. Now, it's got minimal branding on it here, and it does have a couple loops on the sides here. I love the YKK AquaGuard zippers on this particular one, and the rope handle if you need to get a better purchase on this. It also does have a handle on the back with a couple of additional loops, so if you want to slip a lanyard through this or a strap, you could actually wear this independently like a sling, which is cool. If you wanted to dump all the stuff out when you got to where you were going and you needed a little bit of sling, let's say you wanted to travel light, you could do that too. Really, really cool. We're gonna go ahead and check out what I have rocking inside of this. I think that this is a great product for anybody who travels or is on the move and has to carry stuff for their electronic, which is pretty much everybody these days. Just as a reminder, this is the new experimental camera for the channel. This is the Nikon ZR, and it is on the 26mm pancake lens. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to the overhead rig so that we can get a better look at what's inside of this. Let's go to the overhead rig. Okay, so first off, I love that this thing stands here. This is really nice. Again, it does have that nice plaid material here in black. It also has a nice handle here. You can see the stitching a little bit better here, as well as some really nice zipper pulls, hardware. It's all really nice. So jumping into the front section here, you'll notice it's a nice light interior here. And inside here, I keep my old headphones with an aux input. I also have here this Acasis hard drive. This is a 40 gigabit hard drive, and I edit most of my videos on this here. Most of what you guys see actually comes from here. So you can see I threw this together, and this is where most of my YouTube videos live. Now, along with that, I do need a cable. So I carry a heavy duty data transfer cable, which can double as a charging cable and whatnot, but I really like to have this for hooking up either my camera or my SSDs directly to my MacBook Pro. It makes all the difference when it comes to transfer speeds. Looking in here, you can see that we have 3 elastic pockets that have a decent amount of size here. This is also pleated a little bit, so you do get a little bit of extra room in here should you want to add something in the front. I didn't want to make it too bulky, so I opted just to carry those 3 things in the front. Now, the center portion is a little bit different. So this, as you can see, is kind of really divided up quite nicely. Let's go ahead and start with the back side here first. So first off, you have a large pocket here, which I keep my Sony CF Express Type A card reader, as well as another transfer cable here for this particular setup. You could also fit a phone in here. It would fit. You could fit a large phone in here actually. Along the other side of this is actually a zippered compartment, and you can see there's like a mesh in there as well. So if we unzip this, this is a great place for all of your smaller items. So in here I'm keeping just a couple of different things. I've got a micro SD card reader because my Nikon ZR takes a micro SD, as well as a CF Express Type B and some SD cards. I also keep the dongle from my MX Master. It's a great section to keep little things that you don't want to lose in here. So we'll go ahead and zip that up. And the next section here is kind of like the middle portion. It's a large open area here. You could put a lot of stuff in here, fit a lot of stuff in here. I keep my 6-foot anchor cable and my flat USB-C wall charger, 65 watt. I really like this. This goes with me everywhere for the most part. And on the back side here, you notice that there's actually more organization built into this. So there's 2 slip pockets. This one's a little bit larger than this one, and I think I figured out what it's built for. So the side here, I keep my MagSafe charger for my MacBook Pro. And it's nice to have a dedicated one of these. I could charge it with a power brick, but I just like carrying the actual MacBook. I have the M4 Max, and so it does take a little bit of power, but I also do find the battery life is really good. So I keep the full size 140 watt Apple charger in here as well. And on the top here is just a little lanyard loop here. You can stick an Apple Pencil, regular pencil. I like to keep my an SD card reader so I can just throw, if I'm working super quickly onto my phone or whatever, I can just put those in there and I'm good to go. And I can carry all of that in here. And if you're somebody who needs to carry like small tools, or let's say you're a diabetic and you've got a pump and some other, insulin stuff that you need to put in here, or you just are a tech person or a camera person, you can fit a lot of different things in there. You know what I mean? Like if you had accessories that you wanted to slide in here, you could actually do that and they would fit, no problem. And it just is a really nice layout for multi-use. The pouch seems to be really well constructed, and I've been very happy with it so far. If you guys have any questions, post them down in the comment section below. Again, I'll post an affiliate link for this on Amazon. I appreciate if you guys click through there. It helps me support the channel and bring you guys more cool tech stuff. Who is this for? Pretty much everybody. There is a significant use for these multi-use pouches, and I particularly like this one because of the way that it looks, but also the fact that it sits flat on my desk. It makes working in and out of it very easy. It's not going to fall over, and it's not so thick like a Peak Design one. Tomtoc does offer a variety of these. You can get a small one as well as this medium one, and you can get ones with more origami style webbing in them if you have larger items that you want to carry. But for me, this has been great. Until next time, stay classy.